south on 15. Jeez. That's rough. There ain't no fighting that. Sunglasses ain't gonna work. Nothing. The sun is right in my way. It's hard to see the brake lights. Really hard. It's hard to see the car in front of me. This is rough. But we march on.
Start living your healthiest life today at goforward.com/SXM and pay just $99 a month for your first 3 months. $149. That's goforward.com/SXM. goforward.com/SXM. Tucker Carlson's a different day. Our position on don't miss it. Weeknight tonight, 8 Eastern on Fox News Channel.
The sun's in my eyes. Oh, now it's only half the sun in my eyes. I still only barely see the car in front of me about, I don't know, 50 yards, 70 yards. Oh. Come on, just a little bit more. Okay, that was rough. Hell of a deal. When I crest this hill, it's going to be right back in my face, too. Boo. Back up to speed now because the sun's not in their face. But as soon as we crest this thing, they're all going to slam on their brakes. Because people in four-wheelers are sheep. Half of them ain't got the brains God gave a chickpea. Boy, when I crest that hill up underneath that bridge, it's going to get bright. It's going to get bright, bright, bright. Yep, we're already getting brake lights from it because I'm getting the ripple effect. The guy on my left, I thought he'd come up so hot, I thought he was going to rear end that car when everybody started hitting their brakes. He was on his brakes pretty hard. Oh, good. He'll block the sun. I'm going to stay behind him. Buddy, you about to get used. I'm going to use you to my advantage. So this is 15 south on a Sunday evening coming out of Vegas, just inside of California, not too far, maybe 15 miles or so. This is Halloran Summit. This is the last big hill before you drop down into Baker. And it's the high desert, as it were. Joshua trees. I think those are chaparrals, I'm not sure. Sagebrush. A lot of tumbleweeds. A lot of stickers that get stuck in your shoe, and when you get in the truck and kick your shoes off, you end up stepping on them for the next couple of days. goat heads, things like that. Okay, now why in California it's infinite wisdom? Now we all know they're all communists, but in California's infinite wisdom, why did they put the truck lane a half a mile from the summit? That truck lane should have been started way back there. See, I don't have any weight on. I've only got 5,000 pounds on, so I don't have to worry about being over there because I'm not being an impediment right now. You can see the glow from the sun. Here comes the sun. Something like that. How'd that song go? Do 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 do. Here comes the sun. Yeah, that's about it. Now let's see if the sun's moved over or if I could use that box truck as a blocker. And then you got Reverend Yahoo four-wheeler over there gonna run the truck lane. Just got nailed by the sun. And yeah. Oh, the herd mentality. Yes. It's working. You can look in between. Oh no. Egad. Uncool. Most uncool. If I get down a little bit farther, it'll go up above my visor. I'll be able to get something done. 18 miles to Baker, that's where I'm going to shut it down. The question is the downhill going to help me, or is it going to go behind the mountains first? I guess we'll just have to find out. Well, doggone it, that box truck only did me good for 3 minutes or 3 seconds. What the heck? I call foul. Cry foul and let loose the trucks of war. I like the sound of that. Whoops. I better back out of it a little bit or I'm going to catch me a counseling session. There we go. That's better. Alright, I guess I'll get over here now. Watch this idiot, this four-wheeler come up in the right lane, going to pass me on the right. This guy right here that's over there in the left lane right now is a moron. He just went to pass me in the right lane after I had my signal on and I'm halfway into the lane. And then so he zips around me and then all of a sudden he's from the right lane clear over to the left lane so he can hit his brakes. They don't teach proper driver's education anymore in school. And we've devolved into this, it's all about me society. Yeah, I just cruise. I get there when I get there, and when I get there, they'll be happy to see me. Because I spread joy and happiness wherever I go. Unless I'm in the Northeast, then I go into combat mode. But here you go. There's sunset in the high desert. I'll be done with that sun here. Pretty lickety split. And this will, oh shit. Is this thing on time lapse? It shouldn't be. Should be on straight video, but my timer is telling me that it's doing time lapse. No, it's not doing time lapse. That's just what I got left for memory on my phone. guess I better start uploading some videos. And the little peak of the sun is left. And goodbye, sun. See you in the morning. At my back. So, that was coming off a mountain pass and up and over Halloran Summit in the sunset. And there's a little slice of my life. Have a good day.